You will see the machine running at 700 packs per minute, with the conveyor moving at 110 meters per minute. We will look at the live display, product spacing, reject timing, and how the system removes underweight products from the line without stopping production. This checkweigher is currently running at around 700 packs per minute. With the right product and setup, the AW9 can reach up to 1,000 products per minute. On the settings screen, we can see the conveyor speed. Here it is running at 110 meters per minute. That means the system has only a very short time to weigh each product and decide whether it passes or fails. The operator can view the machine in different display modes: live weight results, production data, statistics, and reject information. Now we will test it with two marked products. These are lighter than the standard products, so they should be rejected. This part helps align the products before inspection. It keeps the spacing consistent, which is very important when the line is running at high speed. Here is the reject area. The machine uses an air blast rejector to remove incorrect products from the line. It is a fast machine, but what makes it interesting is how accurately it can weigh and reject products while everything is moving at such high speed. One product has been rejected. The reject timing has to be extremely precise. The system must weigh the product, calculate the result, and activate the air jet at exactly the right moment. Now let's look at how the rejected product appears on the display. Here we can see that this product was outside the accepted weight range. The result quickly disappears from the live view. At this speed, the system is weighing, processing, and rejecting products in real time with extremely high precision.